Yeah, she's not giving. She's not giving. Crazy because I just took it down, but welcome and welcome back to my channel featuring a sad solemn boy in the background. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carrie. I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and we are getting into another girly vlog. It is currently Thursday, the 4th of January, officially 2024, and even though we're 4 days in, I'm already feeling the good year vibes. And the first week of January, I've been off, so it's been nice because I've been really focusing in on content, and I just finished filming some, so I do need to clean up. Also, hence why I have this cute little bow outfit on. She is cute. Shout out to Nuli for making the cutest little clothes. This vlog I figured would be our first girly weekend in my life vlog of 2024. I still do not have my car, so I'm excited about this vlog because I am going to be going out tomorrow with my mom, so I think it'll be really nice because we're going to go out to have lunch at a cute little local cafe that she really likes their vegan options, and we are planning on going shopping, so I'll probably take you guys along there, but otherwise the rest of this vlog will probably be indoors. But in the meantime, I figured I'd change back into some comfy clothes, clean up with you guys, and kind of just have a nice little casual weekend in my life. Also, I don't know if you can hear Chester crying. I locked him out because he literally always cries whenever I'm vlogging. I don't know why he associates it with me leaving him. He will be fine until I vlog. I literally worked on content for like almost 2 hours and there was no tears, no crying. He is so dramatic. The realities of having a cute dog is that it is a child. Okay, your dog is a child. But yeah, the first thing I think I'm gonna do is change because my hair is so flat. It just looks weird now. I had it in a ponytail earlier, but with this outfit, it's giving 80s office lady, but like not in a good way. Yeah, she's not giving. She's not giving. Yeah, this just fits the hair vibe so much better. I wore this in my last vlog and I've been obsessed with this little cropped hoodie from Pink, so I might get some more tomorrow because it's so cozy on the inside. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do, but I have been posting about these. I got this little bow ring for literally like $12 from Etsy, and it only did come in silver, so I was a little sad about that, but she is cute. And then I got this heart ring on sale from Pandora because they were having like an end of year sale after Christmas. And I also got this ring, which I might need to exchange for a smaller size because I have fat fingers. So I went up like a size and a half to have a ring that fits on a different finger than just my ring finger. But this still slides around, but she's gorgeous. But behind me is the makings of a mess. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I've been loving this little blonde wig from Amazon for $40 lately. It's been kind of my jam. But I need to clean up this mess so that I can, you know, not feel chaotic after filming some content. And I have a little bit to clean up in here too, so we're gonna do that first. was cleaning up, I wanted to show you these cute PJs. I haven't worn them yet. I've been really obsessed with adoreme lately. I'm very excited to wear this. It's like a nice little knitted Valentine's Day PJ set. But the sleeves have these little ruffles and I think it's so cute. And then the pants kind of look like they're going to fit like capri style almost, but they are so cute. So I just had to show this because I think this will be on sale for a limited time. And if you're a girly like me, you'll definitely love these. I also did get this little cami dress that is so cute. It has a little pink bow. I don't know if you can see it. This is also from Adoreme, so I might wear this tonight, but I just think both are really nice and the quality of the material is so cute. I can't believe I've slept on Adoreme for so long. I tried them out when they first came out back in like 2016-ish and haven't worn them since. Hi loves! It is already the next day, Friday, which is weird. It doesn't feel like a Friday to me. My mom is about 5 minutes away and we are about to go shopping. Here is my simple outfit of the day. It's giving she wanted to be cozy today, but still a little cute. Also, I'm breaking out because I haven't had a facial in so long. So if you've never had this happen to you and you go and have a facial and then you break out, you might not be allergic to the products. There's still a chance there, but usually facials purge your skin the first time around. So I knew this was coming, but I didn't know it was going to happen so bad. I have like these tiny little red dots on this side of my face. I have one blemish forming, so I'm just gonna rock skincare today. But I did do a little bit of brow gel and mascara. I tried to recurl the ends of my hair, but I didn't want to heat style it too much, so I literally did like 5-second heat styling and then said, you know what, the frizz is just gonna be embraced. I just have on studs, my little bow ring. This is a cute little rhinestone. It's giving limited to headband I got from H&M when I was shopping with my mom and my sister earlier this year. This is an H&M cropped pink sweater. Also, sorry, I'm out of breath. I just went up the stairs. But I'm really obsessed with these leggings. Hopefully I'm not showing too many panty lines, but these are the fold over leggings. But I got the black ones specifically because the black ones have the rhinestone pink. So it's giving 2010. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit before my mom gets here, and then we're gonna hopefully get some food because I'm hungry and then go shopping. Afternoon outing with my mom. After brunch we went to the mall, so we went to a few stores, and I had a little bit of an itinerary or like a plan for things I needed to get, but not that much. So starting with Bath & Body Works, I didn't get anything that I wanted for me, but Sam really likes the Noir men's fragrance. I just got him a lotion and body wash for that scent. Then from Sephora to get my birthday gift because this is my birthday month. I turned 27 on the 15th. So I got Youth to the People because it's one of my favorite skincare brands. Then I just got a Kiehl's hydrating mask. This is my jam. I use this 2 to 3 times a week, usually on Mondays and Fridays, sometimes on Sundays, sometimes on Wednesdays, but this keeps your skin super hydrated if you're someone who has dry skin. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Powder in the shade Tan. I currently use this, but I got the small size originally because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I do. So I got the full size, and then finally I just got another hair mask. I've been using this for a while. Then from Forever 21, I only got one thing. If you've thought of me, who is she? And it wasn't on sale. Who is she? Dude, sweater at Forever 21 right now, and it's in the perfect shade of pink. Lastly, you know I had to shop at Victoria's Secret, especially because they're having their semi-annual sale right now. I decided to treat myself to just one new workout set because I actually have a lot of workout clothes, but something about wearing a new set that's meant to go together just feels good. So I got these like gray charcoal-y leggings. I have a little matching sports bra to go with it. Okay, and now this might seem ridiculous, and it kind of is, but I normally would not pay more than $10 for like a regular shirt, hence why I've always been a Forever 21 girly. However, the last time I did a haul from Victoria's Secret, I showed you guys I got their like oversized campus tee, and it was gray and it was like a lounge tee. That has become one of my favorite shirts to wear. It is so cozy, it's oversized so you're comfortable, but it's still cute somehow. So I got myself 2 more. This one is black, and I think the sleeves might be a little bit longer than the gray one. This one's a little bit more fitted, but it's still very loose, and it is pink. And finally, from Victoria's Secret, I got one of their sweatshirts for their Valentine's Day. They did have a lot of cute PJs and things, but honestly, I don't need any more PJs, and I was like, these are kind of overpriced. So I didn't get those, but I did get this $30 sweatshirt, and it is, again, pink, but it has a cute little heart on it, and then the back says Love Club, which I thought was cute. Can you tell she's a pink girly? No surprise. I'm feeling a midday nappy. I'm usually not a nap person, but it sounds good to me, so that's what I'm gonna do because I'm off. Isn't that right, bubby boy? See you in the next clip. Your girl is back up after a little mini nap. I don't think I ever talked to you guys about my 2024 mood board. If you don't make mood boards, you need to start, but this is mine, and I absolutely love her. I did this in Canva and Pinterest, so I'll go through it really quickly, but I love the middle because I don't think I actually ever put the year in the middle of my mood boards in the past. I don't know why I didn't, but some of the goals are cut off from the actual board, but this is like a girl in a glamorous hotel eating meals. I want to do more traveling again this year because I didn't really do too much last year, and when I did, it was a little hectic, so I'd like to have some peaceful, luxurious travel. I'd love to go to New York again this year. I'd love to work with Selkie. I have this as a weird image to represent for me work-life balance. It was someone working at a cafe, but I was like, you know, have a little bit of nice romanticizing during your workday. This little mirror, I don't know if it'll focus, but it says be soft and kind, but take no shit. That's my mantra for this year. I'd love to go to New York Fashion Week. I'd love to be featured on a podcast, cooking more, having like a work baddies session with my coworkers. First class travel, I'd love to fly like actual first class nicely this year. Let's see if that happens at the end of the year though, because your girl gotta save up. I want to take more workout classes and integrate a little bit of like maybe one workout class a week into my workout routine so that I'm not always just doing my own little Pilates routine. I'd love to be a part of a photo shoot. I did this back in 2022 and felt like that girl, and I actually enjoyed modeling even though I thought I was gonna hate it and being anxious about it, so I'd love to do that again. This says your dreams will soon turn into reality, period, all 2024. This was just for me to get more sun and to enjoy the mornings and nature. I'd love to get back into dance. This is me exploring and traveling more with my mother. This obviously is not my mom, but this was a good Ariana Grande picture, and I thought this symbolized us well. Going to more pink places. This is small, but this is just shots from Ariana Grande's No Tears Left to Cry. 2023 was my year of crying, so this is for 2024. Growing my YouTube channel, reading more, getting fit, going to more branded events, making all that moolah. I would love to go to some type of marketing like professional conference because I've never done that before. Eating at Whole Foods, again, peaceful, nice travel. I have some girlies on the side here, and it's representing hanging out with more of my creator friends. But this overall is my 2024 mood board. I also made my keyboard pink last year, like the end of December, and I added these little coquette Etsy stickers. I can try and link the shop down below. They do sell them in packs of like 10 or more. I just ordered the 10 pack and then picked my favorite ones. This one did not come in that pack. It came with a different Etsy order, but I just thought this was kind of cute for my sparkly clear laptop case. So I honestly think for the rest of Saturday, I'm just going to lounge in this really cozy shirt. I'm just going to be on my laptop until I order dinner. Sam is at his parents having dinner with them because I still don't have my car, so I thought logistically it would just be a train wreck trying to get me and Chester over there after he works, but also he's not planning on staying over because we might have a snowstorm this weekend. I have a little bit of a alone girly evening time, so I might order myself some yummy food, watch The Real Housewives of Atlanta once again for the millionth time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is Sunday. I ended up not vlogging yesterday because I wanted to kind of just follow what my body needs. 2024 is all about listening before burnout, so that way we can prevent, not treat. And I actually ended up having a really good Saturday. I was a little bit productive, but also leisurely, and same with today, so I vlogged just a little bit. I'm going to end the vlog here. I had such a really nice first week of the year, so I think we're just going to continue this momentum throughout 2024. The only sad news is that my car finishing date did get pushed back to the end of the month, so we're going to have a whole dedicated vlog towards me getting my car back at this point. But if there are specific videos or vlogs that you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comments. I hope you guys had a great start to your year. 2024 is that girl for all of us. Make sure to follow me on socials again at femininity08 if you want to see more daily content from me. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.